Let me show you how to make a coal region cocktail called Boilo. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Today we're going to make an authentic coal region cocktail called Boilo. We can do this with 8 simple ingredients, a heat source, and a pot. For $22 worth of ingredients, you will get over 3 quarts of this cold weather coal region classic cocktail. We need a fifth of 4 Queens whiskey, 2 liters of ginger ale, 2 cups of water, 2 pounds of honey, a tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 6 cinnamon sticks. The first thing you want to do is cut up your fruit. We'll cut it up into several pieces, and we're also going to remove the rinds. If you would leave the rinds on, it would make for a more bitter drink, and with Boilo, with all the sweetness that we're adding, specifically the honey, you don't want to take away from that. Next thing we want to do is get our ginger ale and pour it into our pot. Turn the heat on the stove. We will add our 2 cups of water to the mixture. And then add our 2 pounds of honey. Once we get that in, we will add our fruit. And the cinnamon sticks and pepper. Give it a good stir, and now we wait for it to warm up. It really doesn't have to cook long. Once we see it become frothy, it's on its way to boiling. We just need it to start to boil, and then we will take it off the heat and give it a little time to cool down. We're going to use a colander now to strain our mixture and have it go into another pot. We want the colander to hold back things like the fruit pieces, the cinnamon sticks, the peppercorns. I also like to use my spoon and squeeze the pieces of fruit so whatever juices and flavor they have find its way into our drink. Now to add the 4 Queens whiskey and stir. To be authentic, this is what you use, but you are welcome to use any other type of cheap whiskey or even grain alcohol. But in the coal region, 4 Queens is the winner. Just for a little bit of history, Boilo was meant to be drank warm, much like apple cider. It's a tradition that was started in the coal region of Pennsylvania by Lithuanian miners in the 19th century. All right, let's pour it in, take a look at the final product, and trust me, this is delicious. I hope you try this recipe for yourself. It's a great drink to have to warm you up on the inside whenever it's cold outside. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.